we're going to target the top 1% of Americans. Talking about whales here. The Moby Dicks of Moby Dicks. And this script right here is going to be your harpoon. And I'm going to teach each and every one of you how to be Captain Ahab.
Captain Ahab?
The book, Moby Dick, you idiot.
Are you kidding me, man? You don't know the book? We're going to get the clients to believe in us, to trust us, to want to be a part of our company. We're going to get them to think that our founders sailed over on the Mayflower and chiseled our name, Elements Express, into Plymouth Rock. We're going to start off with the blue chip stocks. Now I'm talking about hydrogen, helium, lithium, the little guys, just to sucker them into us. Then we're going to hit them with bromine, chlorine, iodine, and fluorine. And I'm telling you boys, when we can take that 50% profit from those stocks, then we're going to make it big time. And I mean big time.
Hello?
Hello, ma'am. This is Shane Banachowski from Elements Express. And let me tell you, before you hang up, don't hang up yet. Just let me give me a chance to talk. So I'm selling you fluorine today, and I'm telling you, not many people know about this stock. It's kind of out there. It's just a nice element that's really good. It's really profitable. It's got very, very good uses for society. If you know of a chemical or a substance called Freon in your refrigerator, well, fluorine is used in that to help make refrigerators cooler. Also, scientists themselves, they use fluorine to help being explosives for the bottom of the rocket to help it ignite and go up. Also with toothpaste, I don't know if you knew this or not, but it's got a little bit of fluorine in it just to help you make your teeth whiter.
Well, where can this element be found?
The element, if you were to go outside with some dynamite and put it in some rocks, the element can be found in rocks, clay, or coal. And in its purest form, it's a pure, pale, yellowish gas.
You know, I don't know if I really need the stock. You know, I love the part about teeth being whiter, and I could always use that, but I'm going to need to talk to my husband, and I don't even know its properties.
Let me tell you, ma'am, its chemical properties is probably the most reactive element on the periodic table. And when reacted with glass, metals, and other substances, if it is put in a bright flame of fluorine, it is a bright, bright burn. And its physical properties, it's got a very, very high pungent odor. And at times, it can be very fluorescent, meaning very bright. And let me tell you, it does have some possible dangers. Like you don't want to get it with water, because with water it reacts and it is very explosive. And I know that may be a little bit dangerous to you, but you won't have to worry about with this. It's going to be a very profitable purchase. Also, it can be poisonous at high concentrations, but it's not going to be in its pure form of a gas, and you'll be okay.
Well, I guess I'll take $6,000 for it, but my husband's going to tell me.
You know, ma'am, you won't regret it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Hello, sir. This is Cameron Reeves from Element Express. I'm here to sell you an up-and-coming element called bromine. This element is it's used for leaded fuels. It's make your car run real nice. Also, it's used in flame-retardant plastics such as phones, Xboxes, anything, computers, anything that gets warm and they don't want the plastic to melt or catch on fire. Where you really see your profits, though, coming up are medicines. Researchers have been researching this and found bromine to help cure AIDS, Alzheimer's, and cancer. That's where you're going to get your real profit up in the future.
Hello, ma'am. This is Justice DeLeon from Elements Express. I'm here to talk to you about chlorine. Chlorine, probably one of the most beneficial elements used in the household. This is used in bleach, which is chlorine dissolved in water, actually. This also is used to disinfect water, which you drink every day. Bleaching also is used in the production of cloth for cleaning it.
And you wait, because whoever starts talking first loses. They don't trust you. The only reason they're gonna go ask and say, oh, I gotta go talk to my husbands, my wives, the tooth fairy, who cares? They don't trust you. And why would they? You're a bunch of amateurs. But trust me, with this script, they'll be able to trust you, and we will make some big cash.
Sir, that is a very common question. Most people don't know where this element is from. Bromine is found in seawater. It's 85 parts per million. Now when you put your money into this, your money's going to go into US, Israel, and the UK. Those are the biggest producers of this. That's also where your money's going to come back. And in its purest form, it's a brownish red liquid with a similar color when it's a water vapor, or when it's a vapor too.
Yes, ma'am, I completely understand. That's a question that's most commonly asked, actually. A lot of people don't know where it's found. It's actually not found naturally. It's found combined with sodium. It can be found in the ocean, but as chloride ions. This is 1.9% of the mass of the seawater in the ocean. If you want to find it used, you can find it in papers, plastics, table salt, and mainly you'll find it in swimming pools to obviously clean the pools. Yeah, the purest form of it, it's a greenish yellowish gas.
With bromine, where you're going to get the money is the chemical and physical properties of this element. They're very unique, unlike a lot of other elements. Now, when this element is mixed with potassium, it's very, very explosive. Very explosive. Also, it can be combined with an unreactive metal, such as platinum. Where you're really, really going to get your money in this is the most unique element. It's one of the most unique elements where it's only one of two elements that is found in liquid at room temperature. Also, this element evaporates easily at standard temperatures and pressures. There's some risk, but who makes money without risk versus reward? It's toxic, yeah, and it causes burns. But if I put you in this element at $12 and I take you out at 54 and you make all that money, I don't think you're going to be worrying about all those risks. Because yeah, it smells like bleach and it can harm the mucous membrane, but all you're going to be worrying about is making money on this element.
Alright, listen. See, the big money, all in the properties of it. Chemical properties, physical properties, alright? This element, chlorine, highly corrosive. Yes, highly toxic. Okay? This is a suffocating odor, but you don't need to worry about that. It won't be suffocating to you unless you have a dangerous amount of 1,000 parts per million. That can be fatal. This is easily liquefied by cooling it. And if it touches your skin, yeah, it'll burn you, but that's only in certain forms. Alright? Now the big money is right there. So I'm going to put you in at 12. I guarantee you'll be out at over 50. So how's it sound?
Boys, look where this script has gotten us. These four elements, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorine, have gotten us this far. Just imagine where the rest are going to get us.